How's it going, pregnant man?
Yeah. Oh, it's too easy, man. Don't know what all the fuss is about.
Oh, good. Well, soon you'll start feeling the baby kicking.
Oh, no. I'm sure that's not for a little while. Ow! 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 Oh, me guts!
Oh, you never forget that first kick.
Okay, that's a wrap, kids. Come on, unclip.
No, not yet. You haven't had the baby.
Oh, too bad. I didn't get this thing off.
You said if you're going to do something, do it properly.
Oh, that advice doesn't apply to me.
Hello.
Ah!
He's having a baby! What happens now?
What are you asking me for? Aren't you the midwife?
No, I'm just a friend. I work at a petrol station.
What?
I'm coming out!
Ah! Well, who's going to deliver my baby?
Hey, True Blue, is it me and you?
Yes.
Is it Mum and Dad? Is it
Lucky's Dad, can you give us a hand with something?
Yeah, no worries, Bluey. I didn't know this was the something,
Hard enough, Pat.
but I don't know how to deliver a baby.
I thought you grew up on a farm.
We grew sorghum.
Dad, the cricket started.
I'm busy, mate. Just shout if there's a wicket.
Okay.
Well, how hard can this be? I'll just grab a leg. Hey, where are you going?
I'm not going anywhere.
Bingo, that tickles.
Oh, we'll see about this. I got a foot.
Oh!
Oh, she's got my belly hair.
It's not for six, Dad.
Oh, any boundaries?
One boundary, two singles.
Who got the boundary?
Focus!
Oh, yeah, sorry. Oh, I can see the butt. I can see the butt.
You can watch lots more Bluey on BBC iPlayer. Ask your grown-up to search Bluey.